everybody. My name is Sharon Fabian, and I am the Chief Inspirer of Themes and Motives. Yes, that's me, Sharon Fabian. Today, I am here at Hilton Manila, Newport World Resorts, and we would just like to share with you our fun activity here at Hilton Manila because this is actually a Thanksgiving celebration by the hotel together with its clients. So we just want to show you how Hilton Manila pampers its clients. If this is the way they take care of us, you could just imagine paano nila kayo aalagaan when you become their client and when you decide to celebrate your big day with them. Oh, by the way, did I tell you that this is a K-pop karaoke night? Oo. Kaya nakaganitong klase. So, please come and join me and enjoy this adventure with Hilton Manila Newport World Resorts.
Get away from the emails and the phones and connect with you, our valued partners, in person. The team have taken me to a couple of meetings this week already with our Valley clients, and now to invite all of you over here is wonderful. They've lined up, of course, a lot of singing. I come from the land of Bollywood, so I'm not singing. I'll save you guys of that. I can't dance, but I'll require a few chords before that happens. So enjoy the evening, guys. Thank you. I really do appreciate all of you being here. We appreciate your trust, and I look forward to personally taking our partnership forward in the years ahead. So thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Are you guys ready to party tonight? Okay, so once again, thank you so much, guys, for of course taking your time to be here and celebrate with us. So let's have a quick chit chat with our.
So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this episode together with Hilton Manila Newport World Resorts. And if you want to check them out, be sure to visit their booth at the 45th Wedding Expo Philippines happening on September 27 and 28 at the SMX Convention Center, Mall of Asia. Make sure that you drop by the Hilton Manila Hotel booth because they have exciting packages for soon-to-weds and for celebrants who will decide to book their big day here at Hilton Manila. And for those who have tuned in, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time, remember to like and subscribe, and also please click the notification bell so that you will be updated with our new episodes in the future. So until the next time, please take care and let's all love, plan, and celebrate.